Okay, one more thing we had forgotten to add is hello is nothing but the template.h. Okay, then let's walk through the function. It is nothing but having a constructor, destructor, setup, teardown, add init function bin our test function that should be called. Now we'll run a Perl script that will use sample test as an input and will generate runner.cpp. If we check what is runner.cpp, it will contain the main function and the rest of the body of whatever the test case we have written at test. Let's compile the CCP that is generated. Note the include file. It is nothing but the directory in which cxx test has been. Also the Perl file that generated was nothing but under the cxx directory, and there was gen Perl. cxx unit will provide this Perl files. Let's run the output, compiled output. So you can check constructor is been called, setup is been called. Here the test is there is an error. As a result is expected result is c should be equal to 3, but we have written result expected result should have been equal to 3, but the found is the left hand side LHS has been 2, right hand side is 3. So trade down, failed result is 1, success rate is 0, destructor has been called. Now let's alter the same program. Let's make the result as 2. Let's again compile with Perl, then cc dot slash a dot out. You can just check this case setup has been called, tear down, the result is okay. Let's add to it. Let's do, we'll copy the same function. Let's change to float, float. Let's make this as int t. Assert result equal to, say let's make this as 3, this as 4, make it as insert dot 0 dot 0. Let's compile, first generate using the Perl, then compile using the CPP. Let's see the output. You can just check. In the first, teardown is being called, setup is being called, teardown is called. Again, while executing the second test case, setup is being called. Now the expected result is 7, but the result 4 plus 3 is 7, which is not equal to the expected. Hence, it has flagged at line number 42 an unexpected value is been found. So you can just see teardown, setup and teardown would be called for each and every single test case, and constructor would be called only once. success rate is 50%. Let's have one more test case being written. Double, 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 place with 3, generate the pool, generate the CC. Okay, multiple declaration of pool. So you can see total number of test case been written 3. So float also failed, double also failed because the expected value doesn't matches. So success rate, this is how. So let's consider one more example in which, say, I have sub, let's hold it here itself.